So, you want to learn to be the very best for whatever assorted reason there may be, huh? Your cousin keeps throwing fireballs and you can't block it. You heard gamers are getting paid and you're trying to get good for all of the wrong reasons. You're trying to hope that one day you run into Mike Ross at a Guilty Gear Online tournament. Or maybe you're just waiting for Smash Brothers in December. Well, you've come to the right place. My videos have been used by much less than dozens of people to teach them the important things that you won't see in the game manual. In short, these are the important skills you need to redefine your gameplay and elevate your button mashing skills. These are the essentials.
K-L-J, baby. 2 words, all caps. Please don't try to play me.
I don't know what I'm doing. The first lesson is the hardest and sometimes the easiest. However, it's something that's understood and has to be explained, and there's no time like the moments you're out of. I'm talking about one of the most complex moves in the fighting game community that they won't tell you about. The power of the light punch. There's more positives than negatives to making this a part of your arsenal. Never mind the fact that it barely does any damage or takes any skill to do. You have to change your perception to realize that light punches are indeed for killers. And you're a killer now, Tiger. I've taken the liberty to fire up one of my favorite games, Dragon Ball Fighters, because it relies heavily on you understanding how to match the most important button in fighting game history. And I'm going to walk you through how to harness this tool to dominate your opponents like it... Whoa, should I read that?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just read the joke. Read the joke. It's fine.
It's a really bad joke.
No. Society is perfect for things like this, man. No one gets so overly sensitive about jokes that are just jokes. It's fine. You're completely safe. Just read.
Okay. How to harness this tool to dominate your opponents like it's a BDSM session with a fatherless female.
That's really bad. Can we just cut that?
Yeah. We'll cut it. Now that you say it, it's a bad idea. Here's how you light punch. Keep the controller completely level, or don't, and press the light punch button like I am demonstrating here, and here, and here. If you've done it correctly with perfect precision and the powerful precise press applied with proved persistence, you'll see your character throw a quick jab on the screen. Now, it's a nefarious notation, a complex computation. It's lethal, it's quick, it interrupts longer combos like Kanye does Taylor Swift award sequences, or like Kanye does anybody that disagrees with his MAGA hat. You take your pick. Both references work. Whatever. That light punch is now yours to wield in the trenches of versus gameplay. Wear it proudly. Like Kanye does his MAGA hat. I miss the old Kanye, man. I really do.
I prefer you grasping my words, but I concur. If you get scared or feel unprepared, maybe you shouldn't be around me when I'm slinging these verbs. Or you know. Warmed up. Look, mind blower, high roller, that's for the culture.